Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to improve battery life on your OPPO A6x. So first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna shorten the screen timeout. So let's go over to the settings. Now we're gonna go to display and brightness, and here we're gonna scroll down and go to auto screen off, and you guys can set it at 30 seconds or 15 seconds depending on what you want to use here, but I prefer 30 seconds because 15 seconds is not a lot. So 30 seconds is actually a long time until your screen goes off. If you're using your phone, then 15 seconds is just not enough. Next, what you guys want to do is change your refresh rate. So of course, this will give us some extreme freshness on our screen. Of course, it will be smooth as a butter, but we definitely do not need 120 Hz for the long term. We are gonna use either auto select or standard to make sure that we improve our battery life. Here I use auto select, so whenever I actually do something, it's 120, and if it's just steady right here, then it's using only 60. Now next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over and go to the sounds and vibration. Now here, we wanna make sure that we disable vibrate on ring, so we wanna get rid of any vibrations. We're gonna go over and scroll down to haptics now and disable system haptics. So we won't get haptic feedback for touches, calls, and anything. Here, as you guys can see in the more settings, there's nothing. So this is everything we had to do here. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna restrict the background app activity for a lot of apps in the battery settings. So scroll down to battery. Here, we're gonna go to power saving settings and scroll down to app battery management. Here we can choose the apps, for example, AccuBattery. Let's allow it working in the background. This is the app that has to work always in the background now, but Booking.com doesn't have to. We can click OK. The same goes for, let's say, Block Blast. We're not using it. Click OK. And we can do that for every single app that we do not use that much here. So after that, what you want to do as a last resort is go over to the display and brightness and change your phone to the dark mode. Now, dark mode is good because it saves the battery life. And it's up to you which mode you use. It's not a drastic change, but still it saves a little bit of the battery and it improves its overall lifetime. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.